Example number 3, 8m over m minus 3 plus 6 over m plus 5. So the denominators are not the same. We need to look for the LCD first and use the LCD as the new denominator. So the denominators are m minus 3, which is already in simplified form. So we write it this way, m minus 3, and m plus 5 is also in simplified form. We just write it this way. Okay? So therefore, we can say that the LCD is m minus 3, minus 3 times m plus 5. So, instead of just writing m minus 3, we will now use m minus 3 plus m plus 5. Okay? So we have m minus 3 times m plus 5. Here is m minus 3 times m plus 5. Copy 8m. Okay? What should be multiplied here so that the whole expression is the same as this. So we have m plus 5. So what should be multiplied to 6 so that the whole expression will be equal to this. So it is m minus 3. So we now write the LCD for both addends once. M minus 3 times m plus 5. Then multiply the numerators. So we have 8m squared plus 40m plus 6m minus 18. Okay, we can now combine similar terms, but copy first the LCD, the new denominator. So you have here 8m squared, 40m plus 6m, 8m times 5 is 40m, 6 times m is 6m, plus 46m minus 18. Okay, we can factor. We will see if there are common factors later to be cancelled. There is common monomial factor here. Yes, among the numerical coefficients. M minus 3 times m plus 5. So, common is, among 8, 46, and 18 is 2. Only 2. 8m squared divided by 2 is 4m squared. 46 divided by 2 is 23m. Minus 18 divided by 2 is 9. Do you think this will be factorable? Okay, let us try. If we can factor 4m squared plus 23m minus 9. Since the first term is a perfect square and the third term is a perfect square. Let's try. 2m times 2m. So here we have 3 and 3 plus and minus, so we can get 9. I doubt if we can get 23 for the middle term. What about if we have here 4m and we have here 1? Let's try. So you have 4m squared minus 12m plus 3m minus 9. It won't be 23m. Okay, let's try again. Another one. If we cannot find factors for this trinomial, that means the trinomial is prime. Let's try 4m and here m. Let's try factors of 9 aside from 3 and 3. Let's have 9 and let's have 1 here. 1 should be positive and 1 should be negative. Let's try. This is 4m squared. This will be positive. Positive what? Negative. Negative 4m. And this is positive 9m. Can't be. This only 5m squared. So, another try. Another try if we will get correct factors of this trinomial. Even the first and the third are square, a perfect square, but if the middle term does not tally with the factors, that means the given trinomial is prime. Let's have another one. Trial. Okay, minus 9. And then m plus 1. This is 4m squared. 4m plus 9m, no. So that means the trinomial is prime. So we will just have this as is. There's nothing to cancel. And this would be the correct sum of example number 3. Addition of unlike rational algebraic expressions. I hope you are able to follow the steps. Okay? Copy this in your notebook. Copy completely and carefully so you will be guided as you review later.